Hey gang, Amy Harbor here. Another episode of Tomboy Beauty. You can find me on all my social media there or at the title card at the end of this video. Feel free to follow me, subscribe to my YouTube. This is another throwback video. It is the Allure July 2017 box. The theme is Do Summer Right. Hey, it's starting to warm up, get kind of spring-like, so maybe you could check out these products and get a jump start on the next summer. So there's actually a product that I just love in this box and I can't wait to tell you about it. So let's get into the box. So it's the July 2017 Allure box. You know what? I didn't realize that there were like little sayings on the inside of the box here. It says, leaves town for the weekend, packs 10 lipsticks. This is totally me. This is totally me. Like, you should see how many lipsticks are in my purse on a daily basis. It's ridiculous. So, what I love about the Allure Beauty box is that it comes with a little booklet that has all the packets. And it usually has promo codes, but because this box is like 8 months old or so, they're all expired, including this coupon. Expired. So, anyway, let's get into the product. We have the Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. So it's detoxifying because it's got the charcoal in it. So you basically put it on your face, you look like an alien. People, if you do live streams with the sheet mask on your face, people will say really crude comments. I usually block them immediately. So that's what that does. Then we have Beauty for Real. It's Lip Revival Exfoliating and Hydrating Lip Scrub. So it's probably a sugar scrub. Yeah, it's sugar. So it's also got an orangey smell to it, like orange cinnamon. So that'll be fun. I have a gazillion lip scrubs. Like, I use them almost nightly now. Like, it's so great. Especially when you're wearing like a lot of lip gloss that will dry your lips. This is excellent. Then we have the Briogeo Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. So basically, you put it on your hair when you get out of the shower, and then you blow dry your hair, and it protects up to 450 degrees. Yeah, that's how hot some of your hair dryers and your hair irons can get. I never turn them up that high. Then we have the Cargo Swimmables Water Resistant Blush in Bali. It's like a cute little pink. I'm not saying go swimming with blush on, but when it starts getting humid, I love water resistant makeup. It's just so great. Like, you're not going to sweat it off. It's like, I'm staying here. So, there we go. It's very peachy. There we go. Ooh, I already have makeup on, so you probably can't even tell I put it on. So there's that. Then we have Burt's Bees facial oil. Everybody's making facial oil. I love, like, I have all this facial oil now, and I've been using it, and my skin feels great. It, like, even helps my moisturizer. Keeps my face, like, moist all day long. So kind of mix it in with your skincare routine. Then we have Wander Beauty lipstick. It's called Barely There. It's like a mauve rose. It's kind of like a creamy. It's not matte. So that's a refreshing change. Everything's been matte lately. And then finally, one of my favorite, I love texturizing spray, but I also like sea salt spray. You put your hair like up in a messy bun, or you'll braid it at night, like wet. Wash your hair at night, braid it, put this in. When you pull it out in the morning, you have like these really awesome waves. That's what that coupon was for. That was expired. But hey, you know, sometimes you procrastinate in life, and that's what I've done here. That's why we're on a July box. Anyway, those are the products. this is where to find me, and I will see you next time.